shave their beard for safety reasons like wearing gaze protecting masks in poisonous environment. So is it allowed to shave the beard?
شوف, at the beginning of Corona here in Kuwait, it started in December in China, but in Kuwait it started seriously maybe in March. So there is one doctor, I think in Jabir Hospital, he sent a question to one sheikh. He said, Sheikh, when we put the mask, because of the beard, it is not fixed, so there is more possibility. So he wrote the question in a way to push the sheikh to say, yes, it is allowed. If, then it is allowed. Then another doctor who is mu'addin said to the sheikh, actually there is no mask can protect 100% from the virus. And also there is another point, the issue is not only the beard. What about the hair? Because if we say the man should shave the beard, also he should shave the head. And also the female doctors and the female nurses should shave the hair of the head. Okay, so from the medical point, this is not proven until now, that the beard should be shaved. So if you prove medically that it is very important to shave the beard for the mask, then this, for example, if it is from WHO and from the doctors, a committee from doctors, it is not only from one doctor, a committee of doctors, religious doctors who knows Islam, if they say it is important, then a fatwa, a group of scholars should discuss that, then they give fatwa, this is allowed or not. Please, brothers and sisters, don't take it easy. Shaving the beard, removing the hijab, removing the niqab. This is the religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't take it easy, please.